Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the jump statements in Go, and I'll teach you a few other things as well. So firstly, we'll accept an input from a user. First, we'll print a statement asking the user to enter a number. Now we have to accept this number and our program should stop till the user enters something. So for that we'll use fmt.scanln. Now we'll need a variable to store our number. So I'll just create a variable here where user number type int. So I'll just give the variable over here user number. Now to scan we have to give the address of this variable. So we put an ampersand. Right now this is all you have to know. We'll discuss about this later when we discuss pointers. So you put an ampersand sign and then the variable name. Now if I write fmt.print user number, I'll get the number over here whichever the user had entered. The number is okay. So this should print the number is whatever number that I've entered. Just run this. Fine. I'll just enter 6. The number is 6. This is our variable. Okay. So now the first jump statement is goto, which we are going to learn now. So to use goto we need a label. I'll just create a label over here. I'll name it test and a colon. So this is how you create a label. You write the name which is not a keyword and give a colon. After that I'll say if number, that means our variable user number, is greater than 100, go to our label name test. So I'll just print something before that so we know that we've reached over here. So I'll say println number very high. Alright, so if the user enters a number above 100, I'll get this message and it will print enter a number again because it will go back to test and this will start executing again. From here we see the label name and then it goes over here and this starts executing again. So if the number is less than 100, then I'll simply say fmt.println good number. Alright, so now I'll save this and run. Now if I enter a number that is higher than 100, let's say 102, it will say that the number is 100, number very high, enter a number. So it gets back to this again, our label. So if I enter a number that is lower than 100, or even 100 should work because I'm saying higher than number, so it's a good number and it exits. This is how you use the goto statement. Now next is return. So I'll tell you how return works. Return statement, whenever you use a return statement, it terminates the execution of the function and it returns the control to the calling function. Now what is this, we'll understand after we have progressed through the course, but for now just remember that it terminates the execution of the current function in which return is called. Now suppose if I said if user number was even greater than 200, then I'll just say return and I'll print out exiting. I'll just save this. Now if the number is greater than 200, it will print out exiting and it will simply return. That means the execution will stop right here because we are doing return in a main function. If this was a different function, the outcome would have been different. We'll discuss that later, but for now we are using this inside the main, so this is where our execution would stop. So I'll just save this and run. Now I'll say number is 198. Then we get the number very high. It goes to our goto and we get back over here. Now if I say number is 201, then this will exit, as you can see over here, exiting, and then we exit our code. This is all about goto and return. We'll discuss about break and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.